I am Chandula Wickramarachchi, and I did a project called Automated Testing of Advanced Cutting Tool Materials with Element 6 UK Limited. So before I joined the IDC, I did an integrated master's in the University of Sheffield in aerospace engineering, and then I joined the IDC straight afterwards. Highlight of my career so far is one of them has definitely been doing the MacArthur Fellowship here at the Leibniz University of Hanover in Germany. Yeah, it wouldn't have been possible without the IDC, and also the postdoctoral position I did at the University of Sheffield, and also just finishing the PhD or the NGD was fantastic. I really enjoyed my time there, and it was a really nice achievement. Best thing about being an engineer, I would definitely say sort of the practical element of it, and being able to just be sort of helpful to society. I think it's very easy to see how engineering sort of adds to society. It's there to make people's lives easier and more interesting. And I definitely, I'm very impressed with modern engineering. I think every time I get on a plane, I'm just very giddy. I get very excited. So I chose the IDC to do sort of continue my research journey, because I did my master's in my final year project in machining science, and the IDC was just really well placed to sort of continue that research. And I worked at the AMRC and the University of Sheffield before, so I knew that both of those places were just great places to work, and surrounded by really good people. So which is why I kind of wanted to carry on. Got a couple of highlights from my time at the IDC, but one of them is definitely applying for a patent using the work I did in my thesis, which is basically trying to estimate component wear using sort of machine learning methods. My greatest career achievement so far, I would definitely say, is landing this MacArthur Fellowship. Basically, I've always been interested in what sort of being a research fellow would be like. So it's been really nice to do the research fellowship, but also in another institution in a different country. So it's been really rewarding to sort of see what other people are doing and what research is important to them. And sort of being able to do that has been really, really amazing. Outside of the technical skills, I think just being just the project management and leadership skills that I gained from sort of doing STEM activities and leading the project in the IDC, and presenting to researchers within the group and sort of within the research field and outside of that has been really helpful. My advice to current students and researchers would definitely be that imposter syndrome or self-doubt in what you're doing is completely natural and very normal, and it happens to all of us. We all feel like we can't do it sometimes, and it's especially if you are a woman or a person of color. I think in engineering it's very, very common, but don't worry about it. It's it's normal, it's natural. It's probably quite healthy to have some self-doubt anyway, but yeah, carry on. You're here for a reason. You got this far. You'll do great.